Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Nattinger, President of Carroll University. This is my favorite time of year. This fall, we welcomed one of our largest incoming classes ever, with approximately 800 new pioneers joining our family. Of course, we want all of them to feel right at home as they settle into life at Carroll. As part of that, we have continued our efforts to renovate and modernize our residence halls to provide the best possible experience. The comfort and safety of our students is among our top priority. This summer, our work focused on Charles Street Hall and on the North and South Bergstrom residence halls. In recent years, Charles Street Hall has been home to faculty offices, but with a growing student body and the need for additional student housing, we decided it should return to its roots as a residence hall. You'll notice some welcome changes to the exterior, including a fresh coat of paint, but the real work happened inside, where colorful, bright common areas and upgraded bathrooms now welcome students. Up to 46 students make Charles Street Hall their home this year. The Bergs, as they're known, date from the 1960s and house a total of 377 residents. These connected buildings feature single, double, and triple occupancy rooms, but they were showing their age. This summer's makeover, their first significant renovation, has resulted in much more inviting spaces that are ADA accessible, new flooring, brand new furniture, and improved lighting. Brightened and comfortable social spaces help create a warm and welcoming environment. But the biggest change in the Bergs actually happened one floor down, and it was courtesy of Mother Nature. On June 27th, a strong thunderstorm roared through Waukesha, zeroing in on our Carroll neighborhood. Straight-line winds, estimated at 70 miles per hour, uprooted trees, snapped branches, blew out windows, and wreaked havoc across campus. Hardest hit was Education Hall, which lost part of its roof and suffered significant damage. We've already begun plans to renovate Education Hall into a first-class teaching facility. But in the meantime, our education program needed a temporary home, and fast. That's where the lower level of North Bergstrom comes in. In a matter of months, a new home for Education Department was created, with faculty offices and classrooms. Hallways have been lightened, floors refinished, lighting updated, and the entire space wired for the latest technology. It's truly a remarkable transformation. No matter where you look, it's definitely a period of exciting growth and innovation for Carroll. The renovations in Charles Street Hall and the Bergs are part of an ongoing process to ensure an outstanding student experience for today's pioneers and to prepare for the pioneers of tomorrow.